Hello PNW Blanks and Sublimation members, this is Dawn and I am jumping on to do Tutorial Tuesday, and we are going to do the wine glasses and a Lowball. So Anna has these cool Lowball cups. These are great for men. They're 10 ounce, come with a slider lid, just a Lowball cup. We're going to do one of those, and then we're going to do, this is the pink shimmer wine, and Anna and Elena have the pink, the teal, the white, and the purple. So I'm using white and pink today, and they come with a little slider lid also. So I'm going to do a pink and a white, and this is for a bridal party. So they have a little saying they want on the pink one, and then a saying and the bride's married name on that one. So I have both my presses. I've got the green machine and the Hulk fired up. And in the green machine, I've got the 20 ounce tapered shaker bottle attachment, which goes long to skinny. And then in my Hulk, I've got the 30 ounce attachment marked for my Lowball. And on for my big, the deluxe press, I usually keep just the 30 in here, and then I mark the different places for my different tumblers. So I have it marked for blue for the Lowball. I've got a green for when I want it to be at 20, and then another color for 30. So when I'm screwing it back and forth, I know where I'm going. So just a little cheat with a Sharpie. For the Lowball, we're going to do 365, 370, 40 seconds. And for my wine glasses, we're going to do 315, 320 for 25 seconds, because you don't need to do these for very long. And these are just one-sided. Well, this one's one-sided, so we'll do it first. So I'm just going to put the small end going down. And you don't need a lot of pressure with your press. You know, just enough to close it. So that's it. My temperature's going to drop because my tumblers are colder. And then we're going to, same thing with our Lowball. It's just a one-sided saying. I'm just going to put it in the middle. Barely any pressure. And then the temperature is going to drop. So this has dropped down to 318. This has dropped down to 357, 356. So it does drop, and then it's going to come back up. Once it reaches printing temperature, it will start the countdown. So this is our holographic. So I use a holographic measure temperatures, and then just the regular temperatures for the Lowball. So when those go off, I will come back. So my wine, because it's a lower temperature, has already reached. And I'm just going to take a little peek. It is black. Let's see what we look like here. Perfect. So it doesn't take much. So we've just got our saying. This is on the pink. Oops, still hot. Look how sparkly and shiny that is. So like I said, doesn't take much. Now this one is going to be two-sided. So we'll do the first side first. This one is actually still heating up for my Lowball, because it dropped down, and it's of course set at a higher temperature. So this one is set at a lower temperature. So I'm going to do this side first. it's going to drop a little bit, and then it's going to come back up, and then we'll come back. Okay, so they're about 5 seconds off from each other, so this is going to be fun. So this one's going to go off first. And I'm just going to set this right here for right now. And then this one's going to go off, and we're just going to turn it because I do have the other side to do. Back up. Do our low ball here. And that is perfect. We just have a saying on our low ball. So just a little cute saying, the bridal party. And so I'm done with this one. I was just doing one low ball, and the rest are going to be wine. And let's check out our two-sided on our white. And that looks awesome. So there's our saying, and we have our name. There's our white, shiny. And then I've got to finish the 3. So, once again, there's our pink. Look how these are so pretty. Like I said, this was at 3:15, 3:20, 20 seconds. This is 3:65, 3:70, 40 seconds.